Hello, hello, hello. It is our July Workspace Spark unboxing. I had already started unboxing it. Let's dive right on in. I decided to give y'all a little sparkle today. I got these earrings earlier this year and I never get to wear them. So I figured I get to wear them for you. All right, so let's dive right on in. This month's box is habit hacking. Now, we all know habits are super, super important in being successful in your career, in your life, and even if you're in business, right? And so we thought it would be a great addition to your work life to talk about habits, something that a lot of people talk about, but really don't give you the tools. So this box is going to be your toolkit. So this month, our training is with Lindsay, who is from Happy Nest, which we'll talk about Happy Nest a little bit later. One of the tools that we have in your box for you. This training is called Conquer Your Morning, Conquer Your Life. And it's all about how setting up your morning is going to lead you to success and lead you to achieving your goals for this year. So let's dive right in. First things first is a morning Sidekick journal. And this is what is coming from the company Habit Nest. Now, can you see it there? The morning Sidekick journal. Let's just talk about this journal real quick. We research everything that we put in our box for you. And when I saw this morning Sidekick journal, I knew it was exactly what you need to help build your habits. Now, it has great insight on what habits, how important they are. So this is not just a journal that has a bunch of lines that you don't need. I mean, this really goes into how to build new habits. So hope you dive in. Please let us know in the comments how much you love it. I absolutely love it. It's changed my mornings. Next is the Rise and Shine desk sign. So we couldn't give you a morning Sidekick journal without giving you a little ray of sunshine. So Rise and Shine desk sign that you can put on your desk to kind of remind you that you can conquer the day. Next is our Shine pins. I thought these were super, super cute. All right, nothing like some cute pins to have on your desk. I don't know, I think my kids are eating them or stealing them. I don't know what's happening to my pins. So it's always great to have a nice set of pins. Next is our digital detox cards. Sorry, I had them upside down for you. 100 things to beat tech addiction. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm addicted to my cell phone. I am. So I have started a ban on making sure I don't bring it into the bathroom because sometimes I just scrolling and then doing my hair and listening to something and all of those things, and it pushes me behind. So this is a really cute digital detox card set that you can pull out if you want to do a digital detox, an hour a day, maybe 2 hours throughout the week, 30 minutes here and there. Here's a few. I'm gonna pull 3 times a day. Stop what you are doing and be fully aware of where you are. Feel your own presence. How cute is that? Make a tech drop zone and central charging station at home. So don't charge your phone near your bedside. Create a little charging station that will help you do your little digital detox. Refrain from holding your device in your hand or keeping it in your pocket when it's not in use. Store it out of sight somewhere. Same thing as the charging station. So sounds like a charging station, and making sure you'll have it in your hands in the morning. So digital detox cards, really, really cute. 100 of them that you can use. And last but not least, bag hook. So I don't know about you, but sometimes I'm going to different coffee shops and different places, in my bag, there's no hook, there's no place to put it. So we thought it would be a cute addition for you to have your bag hook. So you can put this on a table and it will hold your bag under the table. Anyways, we hope that you enjoyed this month's box. Again, please leave any comments and watch the training this month. Last but not least, before we get out of here, corporate gifts. So if your company, you're someone who works in HR, or you know someone, a company that may want to gift Workspace Spark boxes to their team, please contact us. We have corporate gift options for you. And give 20 and get 20. It's our referral program. So take a look at everything in your box. Let us know if you have any questions, and let us know what your favorite item is this month. Thanks again. Until next time. Hope this brings a little sparkle to your day.